So I was filming the TikTok and I was like, I might as well film a YouTube video since I haven't been on here in a long time. So if you know, you know, the humidity outside. Listening to Kenny J. But if you know, you know, the humidity outside is ridiculous. So I'm about to put this wig on. That wig, the curly wig. Yes, I might straighten it, but I'm gonna put it on curly and let's see how it go. But so right now, braiding my hair. Not the best braids. I don't really care because it's going under a wig. So yeah, I'll add some clips from when I was doing it from TikTok, and then I'll come in and show you guys the not finished product, but me finishing the braids. So yes, I'm one of the girls who know how to braid their own hair to the scalp. It might not be the cutest because I'm really not like paying attention, but I just got my ends clipped the last time I got my hair braided, which was maybe like, it was July 2nd. So I got my ends clipped July 2nd. So I really don't need a trim. So the braids are good. Yeah, but I'm tired of looking at my hair. I'm tired of doing it. Like, I'm tired. So I'm gonna throw that wig on. You feel me? Hey y'all, so for right now it's done. Y'all in the comments, let me know how I can make this not look dark like this. Maybe it's just the lace. Maybe I just got a bad lace and I need to tint it to match my skin tone. And maybe I just need to put some makeup on it, or maybe I just need to cut the lace right here. And I don't know y'all, but I'm on my way to my sister's house, so I just did what I could do. But I'm happy with the results. It doesn't look bulky. I'm just gonna add some clips in here because yeah, I was really trying to get it done. I did me a little baby hair. Y'all know my hairline come like to right here, so I essentially gotta like swoop it right here. Normally I do a little boom right here, but I ain't for that today. I don't want to do that today. So I'm challenging myself to keep this in for 2 weeks because yeah, I'm just 2 weeks. 2 weeks. You know, if it start lifting, I'll get a little got to be glue. I mean, got to be spray, glue that thing down. But yeah, my challenge to myself is I'm gonna keep this in for 2 weeks. And I might check in on TikTok, so y'all go follow my TikTok. I'll add it in the description. And I'll put it on the screen somewhere up here, over here, yeah. But I'm gonna check in every day on my TikTok. And we're gonna see how we can fix this right here. But until then, thank you guys for watching my channel. I know I've been gone. Oh my God, y'all been gone. But life, it's just been life. And to be honest, I ain't been trying to hold up no camera to my face. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Go check me out on TikTok. And deuces. Y'all, so I think I fixed it. My edges look way better.
It turns out you guys are not a match.
And my lace look way better. And I like this better. So this is my update for a day.